Alright, so the P-trap goes from the bottom of the washer.
Little louder, babe.
P-trap is below the wash machine in the wall. It
Okay.
comes out of there, it goes to a angled piece of pipe and into the Y.
Okay.
The rest of this side of the Y. The rest of this Y goes up through the attic and vents the septic.
Way up there?
Way up there on the other side there's a hole.
Oh, really? So you have to run a pipe all the way up?
All the way up,
Up.
through the ceiling.
Through the ceiling? To where?
There's a little black hole way up there in the corner of the ceiling. Probably right underneath that.
Oh, I
hole.
see it. You gotta run it way up there?
Yep. It's
See that hole?
3 feet through that hole so that the air can escape our system.
Oh, wow.
You have the same hole in
Wait a
the
minute.
ceiling
Back to you.
in the master bedroom
Oh,
that
we-
vents that side of the house.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You can get way up there, okay? How are you gonna do that?
Yeah. Get up there a couple ladders.
Is it safe?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
That's way up there, babe.
That's just a little spot in the woods.
So I'm really scared of heights. So to me, it's like, no way.
But I'm noticing that I have the wash machine box off-centered this way,
Yes.
but because the dryer vent box is over there, I'm going to take these two clips off and put them on this side to push the washer and dryer hoses over to that side. That would give me more room for the P-trap to sit in this bag.
Wow. Boy. Okay. Well, so is that it for the washer and dryer then?
Yep. I'm going to drill the hole through the floor where the pipe's going to go.
Okay. Makes it look easy. Takes a lot of strength. I think he's almost got it. Yep, he's getting there. Few more seconds, I think. Okay. Does it have to go all the way flush?
Yeah, it goes all the way up in the floor.
Oh, does it? Wow. You're getting there. A little more. Oh boy. Almost.
Almost through the 2x4.
Huh?
It's almost through the 2x4.
Yeah, I see. You almost got it. It's almost there. Wow. It's not that easy, is it? I guess it doesn't help you have a wall in the way, too. So that might be. Okay, so there's his hole. So now what?
We got to break that little piece out.
Okay. You're gonna break that piece out, and then what?
Drill through the floor.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't know about you guys, where you're from, who's watching, but here in North Carolina, it got hot again. It's like, oh, we got company. Come on in. Hi, Tom. Well, stay tuned to our next video. Please hit the like and subscribe button.